Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of Hello Word. I'm Alex, your host, and I'm so glad you're here today. In this episode, we're sinking our teeth into a very practical and common English word, bite. The word bite is a B1 level verb that means to cut with your teeth. It's such a handy word and pops up all the time in daily life. So, let's explore it together. First, let's define bite a bit more clearly. If you use your teeth to cut into something like food, you're performing the action we call bite. For example, when you eat an apple, you first take a bite of it. This word is great for describing not just the action but the result, like saying, "That's a big bite you took out of that sandwich." Now, let's look at some synonyms for bite. Words like nibble, chew, and munch can sometimes be used in similar ways, though they do have slight differences. For example, she nibbled on her cookie while reading, or the dog loves to chew on his toy. Each of these words focuses on a specific part of the act of eating or using teeth. On the flip side, let's explore antonyms. Words like spit, release, and let go highlight actions that are the opposite of bite. For example, the baby spit out the food because she didn't like it, or he let go of the rope after holding it in his teeth. In everyday life, you might hear bite used in all sorts of situations. If you're hungry, you might say, "I just need a quick bite to eat." If you're warning someone about a playful dog, you might say, "Don't worry, he doesn't bite." Or if you're describing something exciting, you could say, "This story has a lot of bite to it." See how versatile it is. Here are a few more examples to really lock it in. She took a bite of her sandwich and smiled. Be careful when feeding the horse. It might bite. The wind has a cold bite today. These examples show how the word bite fits into many different contexts. That's all for today's episode. To recap, we learned that bite means to cut with teeth, and we explored some of its synonyms and antonyms, as well as how it's used in daily conversations. Thank you so much for listening to Hello Word. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave us a review. Your support helps others discover the show. And here's a fun challenge for you. Create your own sentence using the word bite and share it in the comments. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Until next time, take care and keep learning.